Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Today we are taking the chapter number 6, multiplication and division of fractional numbers. Exercise 6.1. Find the product. Find the product. Product means you know that very well, multiply. So that question number 6.1, that is find the product. So first part is that 4 upon 5 multiply by 2. So that 2 multiply with this one. So that will be 4 2 ja 8 upon 5. Right? And then second question, 1 upon 3 multiply 4, so that 4 1 ja 4 upon 3. This is the answer. Third also you can do. Fourth question, 8 multiply 1 upon 3, 8 1 ja 8 upon 3. And then fifth question done by yourself. Sixth question also you can do, but see that 9 upon 13 multiply by 2, so that 9 2 ja 18 upon 13. And then seventh question, see, leave that. Eighth question, 10 into 3 upon 4. So 10 3 ja 30 upon 4. And then ninth question, 2 whole 1 upon 2 multiply by 5. So 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5 upon 2 multiply by 5. So that will be 5 5 ja 25 upon 2. Or you can write in mixed fraction, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 1 is left, that is 2. Ninth question. Tenth question also similar. 5 whole 1 upon 3 multiply 4, that 6 5 से 15 1 16 upon 3 multiply by 4, that is 16 4 ja 64, and then upon 3. Or you can write in mixed fraction, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3 and 1 is left upon 3. And then 11th question also in mixed fraction is there. 8 whole 1 upon 4 multiply by 3. So that will be 8 for 32 and 1 33 upon 4 multiply by 3. So that will be 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9 upon 4. Or you can write in mixed fraction, 4 2 ja 8 carry 1 19, 4 4 ja 16, and then 3 is left upon 4. 12th question. 12th question, 5 whole 3 upon 4 multiply 8. So 4 3 ja 4 5 ja 20 and 3 23 upon 4 multiply 8. Or you can reduce also that one, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So that 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. Or you can reduce here also. See that here also you can reduce 13. 9 whole 2 upon 3. 9 whole 2 upon 3 multiply by 19. Multiply by 19. So that will be 9 3 ja 27, 28 29 upon 3 multiply by 19. So 19 29 ja, that's not easy to read the table, that you will be multiply in a rough place. 9 9 ja 81 carry 8 and 9 2 ja 18, 8 26 and then 1 9 जा 9, 1 2 जा 2, 1 9 6 15, 2 2 4 1 5. That will be 5 5 1 upon 3. Or also you can write in mixed fraction, divide by 3, 3 1 ja 3, and then 2 is left, 5 3 8 ja 24, then left is 1 1 3 3 ja 9, and then left is 2. So or you can write like this, 183 whole 2 upon 3, right? Now the exercise number 6.2. First is fill up, second find the product. So second question, first part, 3 upon 4 multiply 1 upon 2. So that will be 3 1 ja 3 upon 4 2 ja 8. This will be the answer. Numerator multiply by numerator, denominator multiply by denominator. And the second part is, they are given in mixed fraction also, 1 whole 4 upon 7 multiply by 2 upon 11 is equal to 7 1 ja 7, 4 11 upon 7 multiply 2 upon 11. So 11 1 ja 11 1 ja. So left is 2 upon 7. If the possible, then you will be reduce that thing. Third part, that is 3 whole 2 upon 3, 3 whole 2 upon 3 multiply by 10 upon 11, 10 upon 11. So that will be 3 9, 10 11 upon 3 multiply 10 upon 11. So 11 1 ja 11 1 ja. So that is 10 upon 3, or you can write in max fraction, then there will be 3 3 ja 9, and then 1 upon 3. Question part number 4, fourth part, 2 whole 1 upon 3 multiply 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 2 ja 6 1 7 upon 3 multiply 1 upon 4. So 7 1 ja 7, 3 4 ja 12. This is the smallest form. Fifth part, 11 upon 12 multiply 5 upon 4. 11 upon 12 multiply 4 upon 5. So 4 1 ja 4 3 ja. So that will be 11 1 ja 11, 3 5 ja 15. Sixth part, that 3 whole 4 upon 5, 3 whole 4 upon 5 multiply 2 whole 1 upon 2. So that will be 3 5 ja 15, 3 5 ja 15, 4 19 upon 5 multiply 2 2 ja 4 1 5 upon 2. So that 19 5 ja 95 upon 5 2 ja 10, or you can write in mixed fraction 9 whole 5 upon 10. That is sixth part. Seventh part, 5 whole 1 upon 3 multiply 6 whole 7 upon 8. So that will be 5 15 16 upon 3 multiply 8 6 ja 48, 48 plus 7, 48 plus 7 55 upon 8. 8 1 ja 8 2 ja. So that 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10 1, 11 upon 3, or you can write in mixed fraction, that will be, you can divide here if you are not able to do. So 3 3 ja 9, and then 2 is left, 3 6 ja 18, and then 2 is again left. So that 36 whole 2 upon 3. And then last question of this exercise, eighth question, 3 upon 10 multiply 8 whole 3 upon 10, and then what will be there? 3 upon 10 will become same, multiply 10 8 ja 80 plus 3, 83 upon 10. So 3 3 ja 9, 3 8 ja 24 upon 10 10 ja 100, or in mixed fraction that will be 2 whole 49 upon 100. Okay.